Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to sign in into application Samsung Wearable. You have to start by opening application. Now scroll down and click on earbuds settings. Then click on Samsung account. And in the line email you should write your email. Right here. Then click on next. In the next line you should write your password. And then you click sign in. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!